The Little Ice Cream Truck by Marjorie Coulier, illustrated by Bob Kolar. I'm a little ice cream truck. My driver's name is Lou. Ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling, we're headed to the zoo. I'm a little ice cream truck. Lou plays a jingly tune. Pop goes the weasel. I see a red balloon. Do you see the red balloon? Good, you found it. I'm a little ice cream truck. Lou drives me to the park. Boys and girls come running. The dogs begin to bark. How many dogs do you see? 1, 2, 3. Good. I'm a little ice cream truck. The kids start lining up, smiling, leaping, shouting, vanilla in a cup. I'm a little ice cream truck with signs on front and rear. Caution! Children crossing. Look both ways. Stay clear. I'm a little ice cream truck. Rose gets a berry crunch. Bob buys a lemon ice. Jose a cookie munch. I'm a little ice cream truck. We have so many treats. Milkshakes, cones, and bomb pops. Fudgesicles, ices, sweets. I'm a little ice cream truck. I'm rented for events. Celebrations, birthdays, big parties under tents. I'm a little ice cream truck. We're off to Lilac Lane. Happy birthday, Tony! Let's hope it doesn't rain. I'm a little ice cream truck. The guests are having fun. Licking, laughing, singing. Tony's turning 1. Where's Tony? There he is. I'm a little ice cream truck. We watch a baseball game. The players take a break, excited that we came. I'm a little ice cream truck. It's just another day. I make the children happy. I love my job. Hooray! I hope you enjoyed this cute book as much as I did. If you want more just like this one, don't forget to click that subscribe button or follow us on Instagram at Thinkertales. And if you like long-form stories, check out our original audio podcast, Annora's Adventures, on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and of course, right here on YouTube.